Alright, I got a 5 of 97 3-cylinder 5-speed. It's got a refurbishment done to it. You know, clutch, brakes, wheel bearings, the engine's rebuilt. Obviously all the tune-up parts, wiper blades. Everybody has to ask me exactly what's done to them. Hatch struts. Everything that it takes to make it go down the road nice. It's a really good commuter car. I'll just walk around it here. It's got new tires on it, a new catalytic converter, a mid-pipe on the exhaust. The interior's not too bad. It's got a little fading on the dash like they do. The ugly part of this car is the headliner's ugly, but you know, you can't even see the headliner when you're driving, it's above you. The carpet's a little ugly on the driver's side, so I put some new floor mats in it. It has some new wheel covers on it with the tires. It's just, you can't see through the light. It's got a Bluetooth stereo system in it, which is really nice. You can run it through your phone, or you can remote control there. Speakers, it sounds really good. It sounds excellent, actually. Shoot this side of it. It's got some dings and nicks and stuff in it, but just runs down the road perfect. You need a commuter car and you don't care about having a car that's absolutely immaculate. This is going to be a great priced car for somebody. That's it. I think the video speaks for itself. Walk around here. I'm trying to get in everything. I think that pretty much does it. Got about 1,500 miles on it. Just did the second oil change from the engine break-in, and it is ready to go. If you're looking for one, holler at me. I know price of gas is getting ridiculous.